Eat a cookie and it's so good, right? Cookies are so good, yeah? You know what happens then you eat one, you know what you want to do right after that? That's right. And then what happens after that? Another one, and another one, and another one. Well, that happened to Lex, and he wrote a little song about it.
Just gonna get set up a little bit here. But yes, as Dan said, this is a song about eating a few too many Christmas cookies. This is a song called Christmas Cookie Blues. I'm on my third glass of eggnog and it's still not even dark. There's happy people dancing around eating peppermint bark. I had gingerbread for breakfast, I had strudel baked for brunch, then washed it all down with hot cocoa for lunch. I can't get enough for Christmas, I have Rudolph on repeat. I go to every holiday party, I indulge in every treat. But there's one thing about Christmas that I tend to overdo, it's that I ate too many Christmas cookie blues. Peppermint kisses always get me, they are soft and smooth as silk. Them almond already, they go oh so well with dill. And Grandma made some sweet rolls out, hate to see go to waste. Now I've ate too many cookies that I lost my sense of taste. I should grab a log for the fire, but instead I'll eat a Yule log and I'll wash it down with eggnog. Man, I need to take a jog. I'm getting old so chunky, the boys say, Santa, is that you? And now I'm a fatso. I eat too many Christmas cookies. First world problem to have too much to eat. It don't mean I'm not suffering from canker or from seeds. I went to the doctor, said, boy, if you keep eating these, you're probably gonna end up with some form of diabetes. But how am I supposed to stop when there's cookies everywhere? I gotta try them all, I ought to have my share. I should really eat a salad now, these cookies I should refuse, but I can't. I gotta have one more Christmas cookie blue. Christmas cookie blue.